In this very quick video guide, I want to show you a website that I found really interesting. It's called Picryl, and it's available, of course, if you search in your favorite search engine. So that's the spell right there, and Picryl epsilon L and YL. And you can see you find a lot of images, like historical images, and it has a really huge archive of public domain collections and photos and illustration and various types of graphics. So if I'm looking for something specific here, I'm looking for the New York beam workers that are seated on a top here of the Rockefeller Center. And there you go. So this is like a lunch break or a break that they took during their work. So you can find the descriptions and the year of the creation, and also some like meta tags and words that can be used to find it. And also you have the source, the license, and all the rest of the information down there. So you can download it. You have a download button, and you can just save it in your computer. There's also a timeline here if you go in the collections page, so you can like filter by date, so you can search for a specific image using these filters, and then you can sort by using this tool on the left. And also if you have an image, you can check if there is a public domain image match, so you can find out if an image is public domain or not. And you need to click here, you need to log in to use this feature, so you can upload and then use it. So I think it's really easy and simple, fast, quick website to use. Nothing too complex to explain. So this will be all for this video guide. If you enjoyed, subscribe to the channel. If you want to support us, join the channel, and see you in the next video.